If you believe you need an expensive gym, modern machines, or endless hours of training to lose fat, you're wasting your time. The next few minutes could completely change the way you see exercise. Whether you're 20 or 70 years old, your muscles don't know where you train. They only respond to tension, stimulation, and adaptation to movement. Today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful exercises that work almost your entire body, boost your metabolism, and can be done right in your living room to help you lose weight and build a fitter body at any age. Exercise 1. Jumping Jack. This exercise is the perfect warm-up. Start by standing tall with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Now jump your feet apart while raising your arms overhead. Then immediately return to the starting position. Keep a steady rhythm. Breathe naturally. Avoid slamming your feet into the ground. Too much impact puts unnecessary stress on your joints. The goal is to move with control and lightness.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 2. High knee skips. Now it's time to increase the intensity. Run in place. Drive one knee up at a time until it reaches about waist height. Pump your arms naturally as you move. The faster you go, the more energy you'll burn. A common mistake is leaning your upper body too far backward. Keep your chest up and your core engaged.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 3. Frog hops. This exercise fires up your legs, glutes, and explosive power. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower into a deep squat. Then explode forward with a jump, like a frog. As soon as you land, bend your knees to absorb the impact. Never land with stiff legs. Doing so helps protect your knees. If this movement feels uncomfortable, replace it with regular bodyweight squats.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 4. Jump lunge to feet jack. Now we're going to challenge your coordination and endurance. Start in a lunge position. Jump and switch your legs in midair. As you return to the center, immediately perform a feet jack by quickly jumping your feet apart and back together. Stay in control throughout the movement. Focus on a soft landing every time. Don't rush. Speed without proper technique often leads to injury.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 5. High knee squat. Lower into a squat. Stand back up. As you rise, lift one knee to waist level. Alternate sides with every repetition. This exercise combines strength, balance, and coordination. Squeeze your glutes as you stand. It's a simple detail that significantly increases muscle activation.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 6. High knee sprints. Imagine you're sprinting at full speed without moving from your spot. Drive your knees as fast as possible for several seconds. Pump your arms just like you would during a real sprint. Intensity makes all the difference here. It's an excellent exercise for improving cardiovascular fitness and athletic conditioning. If you're just getting started, simply reduce your speed.
10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 7. Marching on the spot. Don't underestimate this movement. Marching in place while lifting your knees improves coordination, circulation, and endurance. For many older adults, this can be one of the best exercises on the list. Stand tall, look straight ahead, take deep, steady breaths. Small movements performed consistently every day create remarkable results.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 8. Elbow to knee twists. Place your hands behind your head. Raise your right knee, rotate your torso slightly, and bring your left elbow toward your right knee. Then switch sides. Don't pull on your neck. The rotation should come from your torso. This movement strengthens your core while improving mobility.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 9. Plyo jacks. This is a more challenging version of the traditional jumping jack. As you jump your feet apart, lower into a shallow squat. As you jump your feet back together, return to the starting position. The faster pace quickly raises your heart rate. If you have knee issues, stick with the standard jumping jack or its low-impact variation.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exercise 10. Half knee bends. A simple movement but incredibly effective. Bend your knees slightly, lower only halfway down, then stand back up. Avoid locking your knees at the top. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your legs and improving stability. It's also ideal for beginners. Tomorrow you'll wake up with muscles reminding you that they worked, and your excuses will start whispering again. I'm too tired today. Maybe I'm too old for this. Working out at home doesn't really work. That's the moment you'll look in the mirror and decide who's in control, your mind or your excuses. A fit body, strong health, and long-term vitality aren't handed to anyone. They're earned. One workout, one repetition, one decision at a time. If you're tired of watching your own physical decline from the sidelines and you're ready to become someone who takes action, here's your next step. Hit the subscribe button below. Leave a comment telling me which exercise challenged you the most. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next workout. This channel isn't about feel-good motivation. It's about real work, real discipline, and real results. You can stay where you are, or you can grow stronger with us. The choice is yours.